see this video you're seeing on my screen right now is generated by AI. This is not a real video. This is not a real person. Look at this picture also. This is one of the picture that I converted into a video. So I'm going to be showing you this website that is going to help you to do the same thing right now. So I'm going to put a link below this video right now to get to this website where you are, or you can see the name of the website. Actually, it's called Google FX, and they're also owned by Wex that you're seeing the name right here. So basically, once you have your prompt right there that you want to use to generate your image, the prompt that I use in this video, I'm going to be leaving it down below so you too can copy that prompt that I used to generate this. You can see I basically use ChatGPT. I come to ChatGPT right now, paste the kind of image I want, and ChatGPT generate this prompt for me. I copy this prompt right now, and I take this prompt to the website that I was showing you right now, so that we can just paste this that prompt. You can just paste it here on this website, and this website is going to generate that image exactly. So you can see this is the prompt right here. So once you paste the prompt right here, then you come down a little bit below to see all the feature that they have on this website. So you can basically just click generate, or you can see the kind of things you can do with this image that you want to generate. You can see 35 mm minimal, sketchy. They're telling you the kind of image that you can generate with. You can generate kind of animation, cartoons, all type of images that you can generate using this website that we are on right now. So basically that's what we are doing here right now. So just basically you can come click these two arrow, one facing down, one facing up. You can see you can lock the you can lock this padlock that you're seeing on your right hand there where they have this number. You can lock it so that once you generate one type of image, it can replicate the same image I am on and on for you. You know what I mean? Like maybe when you're telling a story right now, when you're writing when you're generating an image for a story and you want the same character, you want it to generate the same face for a character. Maybe you're telling a princess story and you want it to generate multiple images, so you lock that right there. That's what that is been there for. Then that's the best quality. And here you can choose square, you can choose portrait, you can choose landscape, mobile portrait, or mobile landscape. So all these are there, but we're going to be going by the 16:9, which is the landscape, and the YouTube version right there. That's what we're going to be going with. So we click on that one. That's the default actually, so you leave it right there. Then you come back to the setting, click on the setting back. It's going to take you back to where you can click create. So once you click create right now, in like how many seconds, in like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 20. Depends on how fast. You can see the image is here already. Depends on how fast your system is actually, that's how fast your image is going to come and all that. So you look at how beautiful this image is. This image look real. These are like stock image. You can actually use this one to start selling stock image on site like Shutterstock image. There are a bunch of them online. You can just create videos like this and list them on the stock image and start selling them to make money. That's how cool this is right now. So you can see here right now, you can just click on the download button. You see the download arrow and just download the one. If you want to download everything, you can download it. If you want to download one of them, just click the one you love most and download them. Look at the quality, look at the settings of the environment in the kitchen. Everything is just right there and everything is set. So that's what we have here right now. So and see our image has been downloaded already right now. So you click on this try Wex. So this Wex is what is going to help us to turn this image into a video right now. You see the first image video you saw at the beginning of this video, that's what this is going to help us turn it to. So we're going to Wex right now. So just click on continue. So this is Wex. So basically all you just need to do, you can just click on this add image to add the image that we just generate using that Google FX. Add the image right here, and or you can generate a new one with this Wex also right now. So just click copy the same prompt, put it right here. You can set the ratios that you want, portrait, square, or landscape. We choose landscape because it's YouTube video one. So just click on this. You can also lock the padlock right there, and best quality, make sure you choose best quality always. That's actually the default though, so it's always going to be a default for best quality. And just without wasting time, so just click on the, you can add the, yeah, if you want to add the image, yeah, that's where you need to click to add the image right there. But we're just going to generate the same image using this one instead of adding that one. So this one is also going to give us a very quality and very good image right now. So look at our image right here. So this is actually the one that generate the video that you watch at the beginning of this video. So this one, you can see above this image, you already see animate right there. You already see it's already saying animate, and it's already saying either you want to regenerate that image right there. So we're just going to click on this animate right here, and to animate this image. So it's just going to turn this image into a video. So just give it a prompt right here. You can see where it's saying give some. So we're just going to copy the same prompt, or you can write what you want this lady to be doing in the kitchen. So just write what you want, like she's cutting veggies, so you can just write cutting veggies in the kitchen very fast, blah blah blah, like that. But I don't want to go through all those stress to start typing again, so I just copy the same prompt that I used to generate the image. So you can see in like how many seconds, like 5 seconds, our video is done. Our video is done, and here's our video right here that is ready to be used for whatever it is that I want to use it for. You can see the video is right here, but these 8 KT that appear there right there is actually among this prompt. You can see this 8K that appear right there is among the details that I put in the prompt. That's why that 8KT appear right there. If not, it's not going to be there. So this is just that very simple and just very easy to create. So you can use this to create as many video as possible that you want. This is just very, you can use this to tell a story. You can use this to start your own vlog channel. You can use it to start your own cooking channel. I'm going to be showing you how to use this image actually to do like a cooking series, where as this lady is cutting these veggies, as she's cutting these carrots, we're going to add sound effects to the cutting that is going to be doing ka ka ka. We're going to add also the pot on the stove is going to be the kettle. Everything is going to be cooking. The kettle is going to be making sound as if there's water there. The pot is going to be doing as if they are cooking something on the gas. The kitchen is just going to be busy, and what we can do with that is adding sound effects, different sound effects that's going to be making all those things to happen right there in the kitchen. That's what I'm going to be showing you in more videos like this. So you want to stay put to the end of this video to see how I'm going to be showing you all those things that you can do with this image, because I'm going to be showing you a lot of AI that can do amazing and quality things for you. I'm also going to be showing you how to remove the logo. You can see where I'm pointing my this thing right there, there's a little logo there. So I'm going to create another video that is going to show you how to remove the logo inside your video. So let's go on this one now.